Hello, my people. I greet the full house from Untouchable Mama. Una do what una take the help take the share, comment, like. God go bless una. I appreciate una. My people, now see these three boys. One I they see so. Now those boys where they wele people for Aba. Wetin dem do I will put the video then una go listen. May I just give una small for inside. Then they target the house where then they go. Then they target the house. So they can't target this businessman house. When they call Mr. Jacob. When they target the house, they comot wetin they want comot for in hand. They not leave am make e go free. They can't give am boy for back. They not finish for there because they can't they look for them. And then they still dey the same area. They still go back again to that house where they for catch this man, where they for shoot this man. So they still go there. They say when they go there, they can't target. No, say that they target people where then they catch, when they carry. Now they can't target one man for there. The man with his wife, his wife get belle, my people. They contact the man, say they don't need the man. Now the wife now they need. Now the man contact they say my wife get belle. Mona leave my wife, mona carry me. They say like now the wife now they want carry. My people, hey, wow. They even tell the man, say if you not take time, because the man can't they follow them, they drag, say my wife get belle, mona leave and mona carry me. The man can't tell them, say mona beg. They even tell the man, say if you not take time now, as they tell you the other man, that Mr. Mr. Jacob where they shoot for there, they go still do it to you if you not take time. The man can't talk. The man say he can't talk. Say so now these people now come this compound that day. My people, all the country it turn upside down, not be small thing. They no fear, they carry pregnant woman. My people, they no even pity and say okay, this woman any shock now the woman just give up, or the pikin just say if he just born at any time. They no even the thing no shake them at all. It no shake them. They carry this woman, then they drag her with the husband. My people, the country don't they fear everybody. Mona say all this one na people wey dey on ground o. People wey dey abroad, if they can't come home, wetin go happen? Hey, my brothers and sisters. Sometimes if I dey see wetin dey go, all this news wey we dey bring come out, the thing dey make person dey fear because you can't think am say those one na people wey dey around. You wey no even dey ground. They fit do and not do. My brothers and sisters. Now God, now we go dey call, make on save us for all these people hand. Buhari no even care to give them job. Like say they still get job now. Maybe all these things now for less. No job, nothing. Waiting that they plan up just to go there target people where they want deal with. When not do the anything. Hey, now wow, my brothers and sisters. If I dey see this thing, I dey shake, they no even dey pity. They just look person like say na maybe animal, even animal sef you see the pity sef. They no care. They no care. Now wetin dey their mind because na their own they want. Wetin they want collect. Me I put the video more na list and maybe help me share am. God bless you. Una bye bye.
The suspected kidnap gang comprised of a dismissed prison personnel, commonly known as General Chinedu Agu, an ex-convict who served a 5-year jail term and regained freedom in February 2021, Godwin Uche, a motor park tax collector, and a welder, Nadozie Monde. While General provides arms for the group, other members interchange roles in different operations. The suspects say, as a group, they have been involved in series of kidnap operations in Abia State.
I met General when I was in the prison at Owerri. So my relation was an officer working in the prisons there.
He cannot call me on phone. Tell me say where I dey. I tell him say I dey my village. You say me say I come about. Say me go kidnapping work.
Now me the first person wey go call. My go find keke. If I find keke, I will call him for phone. So I don't see. He go tell me where in there.
It was in one of the group's patrol operations on July 30, 2021 that Jacob Ugwa father kidnapped him inside his compound in Agbo Hill, Aba.
When we drove together, understand me now, so inside the vehicle, yeah, he was not telling me that he's into street or You understand me now? But he's just covering up. They now drove. They were still telling them that they should still be looking for any kind of flashy car that they see around.
As I picked them, we just moved inside town, the patrol. So unfortunately, we can't enter that street. We now turn back fully. Unfortunately, the road no far again. The man can't enter their compound. They just come down for Keke. They rush the man. Me, I die outside with the Keke. Next thing I hear, I gunshot.
As we dey with am, used to come go gate, say go open gate. Unfortunately, the man come down from the motor, come run. Now you see, come shoot him for back. So as he shoot him for back, he can say, "Move, come out." The man two from fall. So Nama come pick one, me I pick one. So we come out. After we come out, we go house. So as we reach, we can't blame you to say, why you go shoot the man for back? If I say one shoot him, if I shoot him for leg, we no say na for leg we shoot him, so the man no go die.
After the story went viral, the Police Intelligence Response Team, led by Deputy Commissioner of Police Tunji Disu, got the Inspector General's go-ahead to swing into action and unravel the mystery behind Jacob Ugwa's murder, even without an official petition or complaint by the victim's family. Less than 3 weeks after Ugwa's murder, the same kidnap gang staged a return to the neighborhood and kidnapped a 6-month pregnant woman.
As we go with the patrol, we can't see the man and the wife. They drive, they go their street. Now general contact Kekeba main town, Fulham, move go in house. As we come Fulham, go in house. Now you see can't say the man main wait. Now his wife now we go carry. So we go feel run money, come carry his wife. The woman get pregnant.
My road then, I follow them go so that I will, if they reach where they go, keep the woman, so that I will there with the woman.
After they kill the man,
Husband to the kidnapped pregnant woman, Kelvin Ebe, who is also a one-time kidnapped victim, identified the abductors of his wife while narrating his audio to AIT.
After 1 week, they killed my neighbor, Mr. Ogwa Jacob. They kidnapped another person again, the same vicinity. As I just drove inside my compound, 4 boys followed me in. I don't know where they were hiding. I don't know where they came from. 4 of them was very armed with guns. They put my wife inside car. They asked me who is she. I told them that she's my wife and she's pregnant. They say, okay, I should stay back. They are going to go with her. I said, no, you can't go with her. She's pregnant. I was begging them to bring her out and take me. They refused. I begged them, as in, they are very comfortable. We spend more than 20 minutes in my compound. They are very comfortable. I call one of them. They didn't cover their face. One of them said, what are you discussing? What are you negotiating with that man? That if I didn't leave them to go, they will shoot me the way they shot my neighbor. I say, okay, you guys are. They say yes. In fact, they are coming back. They will make sure that they go house by house. I went to report to Nigerian Air Force IRT unit at Aba. Okay, they now took up the case. The one that was calling my wife, they called me that they have caught that one. I went to identify he didn't deny.
Some Aba residents who refused to speak on camera say only the Police Intelligence Response Team have given them hope of any form of security, as the state has recorded over 400 kidnap cases since 2018. They say the situation is sure to get worse if government does not empower security agencies as they battle to put an end to the frightening dimension of kidnapping in the state. Ada Ononye, AIT News, Aba, Abia State.